Hello everyone. Imagine a future where healthcare disparities fade into distant memory, where every heartbeat resonates with attentive care. At Hitachi, we are committed to the belief that healthcare is a fundamental right, deserving of universal access regardless of geographic constraints. Hitachi, through Hitachi MGRM Net, has been instrumental in ensuring billions live a healthy life through its distinctive Hitachi MGRM Lifecare mobile hospital. Built for a swift deployment, Hitachi MGRM Net Lifecare mobile hospital represents a transformative breakthrough in healthcare delivery, providing essential services in the most challenging environments, including during disasters. These mobile hospitals function as fully integrated sterile healthcare ecosystems, providing an entire spectrum of primary, secondary, and tertiary care directly to communities and areas that often lack access to adequate medical infrastructure. Equipped with cutting-edge diagnostic tools, including portable X-ray machines and a comprehensive blood testing facilities, the mobile hospital ensures swift and accurate diagnosis. These units provide a full range of services encompassing maternal and child health care, vaccinations, and essential emergency care. The Lifecare mobile hospital is armored with wireless-enabled telemedicine kit. Leveraging high-speed connectivity, this advanced technology facilitates remote consultations with specialists located miles away, ensuring that patients receive prompt and expert medical advice. This fusion of technology and healthcare not only improves health outcomes, but also promotes holistic well-being in underserved areas. At Hitachi, we collaborate with the nation as growth partners, driving the forefront of technological and medical advancements, ensuring last-mile connectivity with patients regardless of their location. Our Lifecare mobile hospital embodies this commitment, bridging healthcare disparities and contributing to an inclusive health infrastructure. Aligned with the Government of India's visionary Ayushman Bharat initiative, the mobile hospital is also enabling citizens to generate Aadhaar IDs, thereby fostering greater inclusion within the national healthcare framework. This initiative complements Hitachi MGRM Net's pioneering M-Star e-governance platform, which has been certified by the National Health Authority for Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission M1, M2, and M3 integration. The platform facilitates the creation and verification, the secure sharing of Aadhaar IDs, the personal health records, and providing electronic medical records to healthcare workers with patient consent. Hitachi will continue to significantly elevate healthcare standards across India, transforming it from merely a service into a personalized journey towards building a healthier and a more interconnected society.